This is a quick video to talk to you about what we've done so far and where we're going in the class. So we started with this bigger picture project for you to understand how Revit works with walls, floors, roofs, topography, and kind of a bigger picture to give you a preview of what we might be using. Then we looked at creating mass models in assignment 1 and started to create a project 1. Because I added it later, I went ahead and gave you a grade for it. Some of you went ahead and created these amazing shapes out of that form with the tools that we learned in the assignment. And so the idea being that there's an assignment and there's a project. So the assignment is you practicing with the video. The project is you applying the tools to use for a basic project. Then in working with walls, we then took the walls assignment and created here a file that showed me that you went through the assignment to learn those different tools. And the project here is only the walls. Now some of you did put the roofs in. That would be our next step. So it's walls, doors, windows, the best that you can. And so when you bring in your image, you can scale it by stretching the corners until it matches one of your lengths that you know. So if you know a room is 10 feet by 20 feet, draw a wall that's 10 feet and stretch the image until it's on top of it. Then you could change the transparency by going to graphic display options, changing the transparency so that when you do start to draw your walls in the first level, you can see through the walls to see where the windows are. Okay, so the last couple of weeks we've been working with the walls, and this week we will start for the next couple of weeks to work with the roof and the stairs. And throughout the semester, we will then have this concept of learning the tools with the videos and my help if you need help, and then applying them to this project that we're working with to use it as a building process of applying the tools that we're learning. I have met with a couple of students on campus. Contact me through email or text, and maybe I can then take a look at your file and give you some feedback. There are times when we're all going to get busy, and so I'll do my best to give you an immediate answer. If not, then please remind me within a day or two that I need to talk to you and we can continue the conversation. Okay, well, hope you're enjoying the class so far, and amazing work so far that I've seen from the students that have turned in projects. Please get a good start on this. I know that we all have busy schedules, so I'm flexible with some of the due dates, but we'll need to start applying some of the walls and the roof because we have other things that we'll be doing with this project. I am trying to stay within the schedule that was outlined in the syllabus. So if you take a look, we have sessions coming up where we are taking the model that we're creating and developing sheets or drawings, the 2D drawings. We're going to also create schedules and look at wall sections, building sections, and then in Module 7, look at visualization with rendering tools. I would prefer to show you that at the very beginning, and I have been kind of weaving it into the lecture a little bit. We'll create camera views and walkthroughs, and then we'll take a look at customizing all of those families that we've been working with. But keep in mind that I talked about that a little bit. You can double click on any one of those families and start to modify them to what you need. In the end, we'll end up with a final set of drawings, including our BIM model, and then we'll jump into additional advanced tools as an introduction and a course portfolio. I am here to help you with whatever tools you need. So if you're working on a studio project and you need something a little more advanced, don't hesitate to contact me. Also, even after the class, I can help you with projects that you're working with or questions that you might have. If you contact me and we start a conversation and then I don't get back with you, don't hesitate to send me another reminder within a day or two, because I always do my best to connect with you and stay in touch. And I'd like you to know that I'm here for you when you need the help. So keep in touch and try to stay within the guidelines of the dates for each module so that you don't fall too far behind. If you do get into that situation, contact me. I can sit down with you, help you get caught up so that you can stay on track in this class and not have so much to do towards the end of the semester.